everyone, welcome back to Homemaking with Rebecca. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some popsicle recipes. It is strawberry season here, and so I've got some strawberries. We are just starting to get some strawberries from our garden. They are these little ones here. So I had my first harvest today, and then I'll have more of these coming in. So these are some I just bought from the store to go along with them. And we're going to be making two kinds of popsicles today. So I'm going to be doing a creamy version of a strawberry popsicle, and then we're going to be doing a fruity version with lemon in it. So these are so simple to make. We're just going to blend up the ingredients, pour them in our popsicle molds. We have to freeze them for about 4 hours or overnight, and then they'll be good to go. So these are the popsicle molds that I'm going to be using today. I have a couple different kinds. They're just plastic molds. You can usually find these anywhere. You can get them usually at Walmart, or I've gotten them at places like TJ Maxx and stuff like that, or you can order them on Amazon. They've got a lot of different kinds. Most of these will hold about 1/3 of a cup per popsicle, so you can kind of keep that in mind when you're making your popsicles of, you know, roughly how much you need. So this should be about 2 cups worth of popsicle mixture should go into these right here. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using for our creamy strawberry popsicles. We've got strawberries here. This is 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. We've got 1 cup of heavy cream, and we're going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm going to get started by chopping up these strawberries. So we're just going to get started by hulling these, and then we're just going to chop them up into little pieces, and that just kind of makes it easier for them to get all blended up in the blender. And for this recipe, we're going to use 1 cup of strawberries, so it's equal parts of strawberries to cream. So the great part about this is you can also use it with blueberries and raspberries as well. So it can be interchanged with those fruit, and that's really good also. We've got all our ingredients here. We're going to go ahead and put in our strawberries, our 1 cup of cream, two tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm going to make sure we get all that in there. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so we're just going to get this blended up in our blender, and then we'll pour it into our popsicle molds. Really good. So we're just going to scrape that down and put it into our popsicle molds. So we've got this scraped down, and you can see it's nice and thick. You don't want to over blend it. This is going to be essentially kind of like a flavored whipped cream, so you don't want to over blend that. You may even want to just put like a little bit of cream in there and blend it up, and then add the rest of it and just kind of barely mix it up. Go ahead. And if you don't have maple syrup, you could use honey to sweeten this. You know, if your strawberries are really sweet, you might not have to use any sweetener. You could also use sugar. You just want to kind of make sure it gets good and dissolved so that it doesn't end up being grainy. Kind of made a mess there. And you don't want to overfill these. They kind of have a line right here where you fill them up to. So this makes about 4. Usually I'm going to want to make several at one time, so I'll do a double or triple batch just depending on how many molds I have. And we're just going to stick this in the freezer, and then it'll be ready to go in a few hours. Okay, so I'm back. I've got my blender cleaned out, and we're going to go ahead and make our fruity popsicles, and that's going to take 2 cups of these strawberries. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them up again and top them and cut them up into pieces. And then we're going to use lemon. We're going to use some of the lemon zest. So I've got this washed, and we're going to use some of the juice. And then we've got honey, and then I've just got a little bit of water, and we'll kind of see if we need that or not. Sometimes you need a little bit of extra water if they're not real juicy, just to kind of get them going. So we're gonna get these strawberries chopped up. We got cup number 2 going in. And now I'm gonna take my lemon, and I've got a microplane here, and I'm just gonna zest some lemon in there. I don't know exactly how much, it'll probably be about half a teaspoon or so, but you just wanna get that outside layer of the lemon there. You don't wanna get into the white, because that's the pith and it'll be bitter. So you just kinda wanna run it around the edge here of the lemon, getting some of that off, and you're gonna start smelling it, and it smells so good. See, if that's on the back there, you can see it doesn't look like much, but it's gonna add so much flavor to this. And if you don't like lemon, just don't worry about adding the zest to it. You can just add the juice or whatever. So, I don't know, that might be more like a 1/4 teaspoon. It's not that much, and like I said, it doesn't take that much. You just wanna make sure you get all that off. I'm gonna cut this in half. We're gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're just gonna kind of guess here and do the best we can, because you can add more or less. It just kind of depends. And then I've got honey here, and I'm not gonna measure. I'm just gonna eyeball it. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons. Then what we can do is we can blend it up and see if we like the taste of it or not, and add more if we need to. I can see there's not a lot of liquid in there, so I am going to go ahead and add probably about 2 tablespoons of water, just to kind of help that get going when we blend it. So you can see that's nice and pureed. I'm going to taste a little bit of it just to see if we have the flavorings, like so I'm going to taste it just to see if it's as sweet as I want it to be. And then we'll put it in our popsicle mold. Scrape this down. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, that's really good. I can taste the honey. I can taste the lemon. It's good. So we're going to put it in our popsicle molds. And this recipe is going to make about 4 also. So if you want to double that to make 8 or triple it to make 12, you can do that. These are kind of fun because they've got little straws for when the popsicle melts. You can just suck it out of the straw. We've actually had these a really long time. They've lasted a long time. So these are going into the freezer, and then we'll check on them in a few hours. So we've let our popsicles sit overnight in the freezer, and now we're going to try them. I've got the creamy one, and Harney's got the fruity one. You ready?
That's good.
Is it good? Can you taste the lemon in there?
Yes.
This one's really good and creamy. What do you think?
I like it.
Cheers.